my first upload and first attempt at lockpicking on camera. Recently decided to try and get back into the sport, and my kind wife bought me a nice new lockpick set for Christmas. Master lock. Hopefully it won't make so much of a fool out of me on camera. It's an old padlock, the key's been lost, the cover's been gone. It was hanging around in a plant room for maybe 5 or 6 years, hanging on a chain. Couldn't be shimmed, not because of the rubber casing, but because it's actually ball bearings, which kind of surprised me when I managed to get into it. I found that it's got quite heavy tension on the core itself, so it proved difficult at first. Trying to find that balance on the core and picking. Even the pins themselves, I've found that they've got quite strong springs. Just make sure I'm not binding up on anything and see whether it will cooperate. I'm sure someone can give me the correct name for this one. And back of the keyway, and off camera when I've been practicing, I popped it open in seconds. Now the camera's rolling, I'm going to make a fool of myself. And I've just dropped everything there. Come on, little devil. There it is. And like I say, it's very... The core is actually binding. I have given it a good bit of oil in that to free it up, but it is still binding a bit. As I say, ball bearings. I'm not sure whether the camera, if I can pop that completely out. You can see now it's coming out. Just see whether or not the camera will focus on the ball bearings on both sides. But as always, and thanks to Bosnian Bill, check his YouTube out, he got me back into the hobby. But that's my first attempt at lockpicking on camera, and as Bosnian Bill will say, complete junk, stay away from these locks. Thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.